Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Athziri. So for today's video, I am very excited to bring to you guys the BOXYCHARM unboxing try on. So I used to always get the BOXYCHARM boxes and I was obsessed with them. However, I did cancel it for a while since I had to change cards and I just never got to it again. But I recently just subscribed again, and this is the first box I have received in such a long time, and I really just wanted to film this for you guys because I am obsessed with BOXYCHARM. So for all of you who don't know what BOXYCHARM is, it's a monthly subscription of, I believe it's $25, and they send you 5 full-size products. When you enroll to it, they do make you take a test of what skin tone, what eye color, what interest you have, whether you prefer to get makeup or skincare or eyeliners, or they do go ahead and customize those boxes for you specifically. And that's what I loved about BOXYCHARM, is that if you don't like a product that they send you, you can let them know and they will do their best to not send you any products like that anymore. So they are very, very considerate. They try and just make you fall in love with the box that you are paying for. They do always send you a little card of whatever month of BOXYCHARM. Hello, there you go. Of whatever BOXYCHARM box you are getting. So this is for the December one, so it's very festive. However, in the back, they do show you all of the products that you are receiving. They also tell you the prices, the name of it, and what they are for. So before we get started on the items that I received, I do want to point out that all of the boxes, or all of the items, are going to be down on the description box. So if you do want to get your hands on any of these and try them on, just go down to the description box. The link will take you right to it. I hope you guys love the products as much as I did. And ignore my hair. I went outside and I live in Kansas, so the wind literally went and messed it up. So my hair never cooperates in general. You add Kansas winds and it's not pretty, okay? You get used to it. You actually don't. It's part of life. My hair is always gonna be a mess, okay? We just move on. So the first item that I received is this brush cleaner, which comes very, very convenient because I never go to the store and be like, hey, I need brush cleaners. Oh my god, me sigo despeinando, como que si. Okay, whatever. So it says, to prolong the life of your favorite makeup brushes, this cleanser and conditioner specifically formulated to effectively remove accumulated makeup and dirt from your cherished makeup tools. The next item I received is this lipstick. It's a liquid. The Feather Matte Smooth and Lightweight formula provides a comfortable, creamy texture for the lips of a long-lasting through those long meetings and fun day nights at the city. Oh, that's so cute. The next item we received is this blush from CIATE. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's very, very cute. It's like a rose gold. As you can see, it looks very natural, but you can definitely tell that there is blush in there. So this is what the packaging looks like. Add a little radiant blush of color to your complexion with the Marble Lighted Illuminating Blush. This lightweight buildable formula has a blend of matte pigments and a finely melted illuminating particles. So as I read this, it's definitely true. I didn't think about it when I was applying it on, but it's definitely very, very like dewy on the skin. It literally melts into it, so it's definitely a high illuminating blush. It doesn't have any sort of like shimmer or anything like that, so it is matte, but it's still very dewy. I don't know how the heck they did that, but they did. Okay, I am very excited to show you guys this product because when I saw it, my face was literally like, I am obsessed with this for so many freaking reasons. So for every BOXYCHARM that I have received, they always send me an eyeshadow palette. For this eyeshadow palette, they sent me this one. You guys, I am obsessed with this. So this is the Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetic palette. So I don't know, just the entire concept of this palette just gave me the freaking butterflies. Not only because of how cute it is, it's a freaking book. If you know anything about me, you know that I love to read. Fortunately, I don't read as much as I want to, but I love to read. So when I saw it, I was like, you know what, even if the eyeshadows aren't good and they're not cute, I'm still gonna use this to decorate. Like, even the back, it literally just looks like a book and it's just so gorgeous. And then I opened it up and the eyeshadows were even more beautiful. It says, inspired by a classic tale, the Storybook mini palette was created exclusively from BOXYCHARM. Oh, that's awesome. I had not read that. So this is actually a BOXYCHARM palette, which is why I had never seen it though. So this is created exclusively from BOXYCHARM and it's as beautiful in the inside as it is on the outside. Yes. We combine stunning metallics and a velvetry matte eyeshadows to help you create your happily ever after look. You guys, honestly, everything about this palette, even the little description on it, has me crazy for it. Now guys, this I was also very excited about. So I received the ELEMIS. Basically, it's a lightweight formula. I think that's how you pronounce it. ELEMIS to help with wrinkles and fine lines. So this little bad boy right here retails for $79. So without further ado, I do want to go ahead and jump into the tutorial so I can show you guys how I achieved this beautiful makeup look using these products. But yeah, if you guys are interested in BOXYCHARM, I am going to go ahead and leave all of that linked down below. I'll put the BOXYCHARM website as well as a direct link to how to buy those products if you do want to try them out for yourself. So before I get started, I do want to say thank you so much for watching and clicking on this video. My name is Athziri and I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so. I definitely slack on YouTube because I have a billion and one things going on and I always just forget to upload. But I am here to stay, I think. Hopefully at the beginning of the new year I will be uploading so many more things. So please let me know in the comments down below what you are interested in seeing of me. I am gonna go on a little road trip, so I will be uploading a little vlog as well. But yeah, if you guys do like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and thank you guys so much. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started on this makeup look. Alright guys, so the first thing we are trying out is this ELEMIS Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil, and this is what the bottle looks like. The directions say to apply 3 to 4 drops and massage it into the skin and neck. So I am just gonna go Since this is the first time that I try this eyeshadow, I don't know if it's going to be any fallout or anything like that. So I am going to make sure to have a good base of powder. That way if there is fallout, I can just dust it away. But guys, I am so excited to test this palette out. If you know anything about me, you know I love books. So if this palette works, I'm going to freak out. So for the first shadow, I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is kind of like an orangey. It is a really cool tone orange and it's called Quiver, as well as with the Morphe M504, and it's just the big fluffy blend. Okay, so right away once I dab into it, it picks up so much. I literally did like your normal tap and it literally picked up a lot on the brush, and then you can see a little bit of like dusty. That doesn't necessarily have to be a bad thing. Sometimes when that happens, it just means that they're really pigmented, so you barely have to go in with a little bit. But sometimes that just means they're kind of dry and chalky. So let's see. I don't know if you can see, I am literally barely dabbing and the pigment is literally already packed in there. So that's definitely a good sign. It literally blends out so beautiful. The pigment is definitely there, how I said. I barely like dabbed into it and it picked up so much eyeshadow. It blended so effortlessly, honestly. I just went and applied it everywhere I wanted and it was just blended like if it was off of a fairy tale. I'm gonna go in and apply this green to the lid. Yes, I'm gonna do that. I'm going with the flow if you can't tell. So yeah, let's apply that one to the lid. Okay, cool. And I'm just using any average packing shadow brush. You can see kind of like the little dust that it leaves can cause fallout. So this being a darker shadow, I am going to try and be very careful when applying it. So same with this shadow, it has a really good pigment. How I said, it's not too harsh. And so far I'm not seeing any fallout, so that's really good. I'm just gonna go in and blend it into the crease. And I am gonna slightly drag it a little bit higher since I am gonna be using that shimmer right on the I'm gonna go in and dab a little bit of that color right here, which is called Forest. It's kind of like a very cool tone black. It's like a dark brown, but they're very, very cool tone, if you can tell. Alright guys, so now going in with this eyeshadow right here, which is that kind of like a moldy green shimmer. It's called Robin Hood, and I am going to go and apply it with my finger since your finger does have natural oils. It helps bring out pigment. Wow guys. So it literally works as a metallic instead of a shimmer, and how I said when I looked at the packaging at the eyeshadow colors, it definitely looks like a glitter or shimmer shadow. Was that right? I don't know. But guys, it looks so beautiful. It's so creamy. It applies so beautifully. I thought I was gonna be disappointed just a little bit, but you guys, I am obsessed. Okay guys, so I am just gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera. I'm gonna just do a little bit of finishing touches, do the bottom lash, and then apply my lashes, okay? So for the next product that we are testing out, it is the blush. And for that, I am going in with the Luxie 514 blush brush. Okay, so I don't know how much to apply of it. Okay, so I am going a little bit ham with it just because I want to show you guys the color of it. It's the perfect like neutral blush. It has pink undertones, but it's also very peachy. So I am going to go ahead and spray the face, add some highlight, and just finish up with the last product, which is the lipstick. Alright guys, so I did want to sit down and do the very last review of the products that I tried on. Starting out with this rose oil, I absolutely loved it. How I said, I do have a lot of scarring and all of that, so I do know that rose water, rose oil, anything rose related is very good for the skin. So me loving this is an extra bonus because I know this is going to do wonders for my skin. I definitely love it. So right now, it's been maybe an hour and a half since I applied it, and my skin feels so hydrating still. Normally, once my makeup is done, it feels a little bit tight, not really dry, but just tight where I know I have makeup on. But honestly, it feels very, very hydrated still because of this, because honestly, foundation and base-wise, this is the only thing that changed. So I know for a fact that this oil is still keeping my skin very, very hydrated underneath. However, throughout the night, maybe 6-8 hours after a full face of foundation, I do start to get a little bit oily through the nose yeah, honestly, just through the nose, in literally the tiniest amount. But me having this on, I don't know if it's gonna make me extra oily. I would definitely let you know if it does create a lot of oils and if it affects it on the long run. But as of now, I love it. How I said, it smells amazing, it feels amazing, and it wears amazing because my skin is still super hydrated. So as of the palette, I am so happy about it. How I said, I love books. I loved the concept of this from the very beginning, but I was a little bit scared and skeptical. Overall, this is probably my favorite item that I received, just because everything about it is amazing. Absolutely love this. 1,000 out of 100% recommend. So for the blush, how I said, it comes in the super cute packaging, and I'm a sucker for cute packaging. If it has a cute packaging, I'll like it, but I love it, okay? I love this. So how I said, it has the perfect natural peachy undertone. Like, yeah, you can tell I'm wearing blush, but I don't look like a clown blush. It's very creamy, so when you apply it, it literally just, you know, blends perfectly. It doesn't leave blotches. I do have one blush that it's the perfect color, but when you apply it, it literally just like stamps on, you know. And no matter how light I go with the blush, how much I dust it off, it just leaves like patchy. But this one is beautiful. It's the perfect blush shade, and I just overall love this. Now honestly, going into the lips, I was very scared to try this out. I literally brought 2 bags of lipsticks to try on, because I was like, you know what, if I apply this, I don't like it, I can just go ahead and switch over the lipstick. So I came prepared to hate this, but I didn't. I actually applied it, and it's the perfect like mauve nude. And me being a little bit on the darker complexion, with pinks I'm always very scared, but this is literally the perfect mauve nude. I definitely recommend this for any skin tone. So I was definitely very shocked with this one. And yeah, obviously I didn't try on the last product, which was the brush cleaner, because alright guys, so if you did like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, and comment down below if you liked the whole concept of me doing a BOXYCHARM unboxing / try on tutorial. If you did like it, I am more than happy to do this as an every month thing, since I am going to be receiving these new boxes as a monthly subscription. Either way, I would love to make these videos. So if you did like this, go ahead and tell me down below so I know to keep doing it and that you guys will be enjoying them as much as me. The links are going to be down below to all of these products, so if you want to try them out for yourself, or you just trust me, then go ahead and get your hands on them, because honestly these are amazing. And how I said earlier, this video is not sponsored by BOXYCHARM, so I am not getting paid to say these things, although I wish I was, because I'm already saying them and getting paid would be wonderful, but I'm not. This is my genuine opinion. I absolutely love these, so go ahead and get your hands on it. Or better yet, go ahead and sign up to BOXYCHARM, because literally, how I said, this is $80 and I got it for practically $5. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am literally obsessed with how everything turned out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing day, week, new year, holiday. I don't know when this is going to be uploaded, but I wish you guys the very best now and for the future. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.